we're at the bottom of the real estate market. Wait, what? Like, is that really happening after what we've been telling you guys? And prices were continuing to go down, and we predicted that we were going to see some depreciation. It seems like there's never a dull moment.
Never a dull moment, and we've actually got some very substantial concrete evidence to go over with you guys today. And when we get to the $500,000 home buyer and less, the evidence gets even more startling.
Yeah.
And so we've got to get this information to you guys. We've been telling you that, there's times when like we see signs of like, hey, get ready, this could be the bottom, but these stats don't lie.
Yeah.
And I do certainly think that like we're gonna have some more Fed rate increases, and who knows, with job losses could throw a wrinkle into it. But if everything kind of stays the way it is, with rates where they are, which are not super, super low, which is the most surprising part about this, then these are definite evidence that the market is doing better and actually prices are going back up.
So exciting, so exciting. All right, so we're gonna get into the stats today. All right, Justin, what are we gonna start
with?
with?
So today we're filming this March 22nd, so we don't have all of March's stats, but first thing you guys can see, this is for all homes, Utah County, Salt Lake County. Look, you can already see that the price jumped from a low of $480 in February up to $490, so that's 10 grand. And the price per square foot went up $6 a square foot. And days on market went down from 46 days on market down to 32.
Yes.
What's so interesting about this is during high interest rates.
Yeah, it's really mind-blowing. And you know what? Like we've told you guys in the past, we always feel this when it's happening. We have our little inside discussions like, I feel like a different pulse on the market, and the numbers are backing it up.
And it starts with, multiple offers on several of our listings of several other realtors' listings, like the amount of showings that they're getting on their listings.
Yes.
All of that has increased in an uptick. Now, the $500,000 and below buyer, typical first-time home buyer, I've got to share this stuff with you guys. Let's get into yours because your stats are even more startling. And before I do, 500 and above, it is a little bit slower of a market.
Yeah.
So these are definitely positive signs for that market, but the 500,000, you guys have got to pay attention to this. Look at this. Up from 410, 409, 400 the months before in December, January to 415. Instead of getting 92% of list price, 93% of list price, or 95, we're now getting 98% of list price.
So cool.
But wait, there's more. The lows of 231 a square foot, 232 a square foot, we jumped all the way to 240 a square foot. And the biggest difference is days on market has been cut almost in half.
Yes.
Almost in half. These are homes in Utah and Salt Lake County between 200,000 and 500,000. Condos, townhomes, single family homes, all those are grouped together. And those are the ones that we're seeing multiple offers on. Those are the ones that we're seeing a ton of showings. So, Michelle.
Yes.
Do people keep waiting? Because this is pretty concrete evidence that as long as nothing major with the jobs or inflation goes crappy and rates go to 8%, like the time is now.
I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say at this point, and you guys know we have been very transparent and honest with you. We've even said don't buy. Right now, I'm gonna say I think that's a good sign that you probably should jump in, because if this trend continues, which it likely will, assuming like Justin said, nothing catastrophic happens, we are most likely going to see these numbers keep doing what they're doing. And at some point, if you don't jump in, it's going to be too late. It's going
to be too late. And what you guys have to understand is the average home has gone down $100,000 over the last 10, 11 months. $100,000. That is a huge amount of savings. Even though your payment is higher, it is getting these buyers to say, no, let's do it. Because when prices start to go back up, that $100,000 in equity, if you guys don't get that gravy train, you're still going to be paying high rates for years to come, and you're going to lose out on that $100,000 equity. So please contact us and let's get rolling on this stuff.
Let's do it.